there's two ways to trim your clips, and I'll teach you how to do both ways. The first way is by bringing your mouse to the end of the clip that you want to trim, and as you get to the end, you'll see it changes from the regular mouse pointer into this small icon here. Now, if I hold down left click and then bring the clip in, you'll see it starts to shorten it. Now again, I can go to the other side of the clip and do the exact same thing. Just drag it in and it's going to shorten down that clip. Now I'll press Control Z on my keyboard to undo that change, and let me teach you the other way to trim your clips. If I take my playhead right here, which is this small little indicator here that shows where we are on the timeline, and I bring it to a spot, I can go to this small icon here in my little toolbar, and this is the split button. But if you press Control B on your keyboard, which is the way that I prefer to do it, you can just do it automatically through your keyboard shortcut, rather than having to go to this button over and over again. So I'll press Control and B, and you'll see my clip was split right where the playhead is. Now let's say I don't want this side of the clip here because it's smaller. I'll click on it, then I'll press the delete key on my keyboard to delete it. I'll press Control Z on my keyboard again to undo those changes. Now, those are the two more manual and traditional ways to trim your footage within CapCut, but there is a third brand new exciting way to trim your footage. If you click this small icon right here in your toolbar, it's going to open up the transcript video editor. You can see my transcription here, and it also indicates areas of silence. So if I preview my video, you can see I do a small millennial pause while I get ready to say my lines. And my video also starts with the word all right. Let's say I just want to jump straight into my script. I want to start saying we're here today at the Cameron Park Zoo, rather than having all that silence and the very beginning all right. To remove that quickly, all I'll do is highlight the word all right along with the silence at the top. You can see as I highlight the transcription, it actually reflects here in the timeline as well. And to remove all this unwanted video, I'll just click the delete button here. Now, if I preview my video, we're here today at the Cameron Park Zoo in Waco, Texas. Now my video doesn't have that awkward silence in the beginning, and it just jumps straight into the action. You can imagine how useful this would be if you had like an hour-long seminar or a podcast. Let's go ahead and close out of the transcript video editor here. And I'll press Control Z on my keyboard to undo the changes.